Welcome to a short video about my home art studio. I've changed my art studios around quite frequently. Some have been in the community, one was in an old store in a small town nearby. Here's the outdoors. I'm working from home now, so my views are quite different and familiar. When you walk inside, it's basically just a small room. I'm very happy here. I have everything I need, particularly window and light, and of course all my treasured art supplies around me, and a few decorating details to make my work enhanced a bit. In this drawer I have some of my mailing supplies. And as we go around the corner a little bit, I have a shelf full of my journals and a couple of plants. I love plants. And art from small pieces of art from artist friends. Glues, adhesives, scissors. These are the journals that I've completed. Most of these are anyway. And then I have room for more newer additions below. I find that just having a bin like this for my collage supplies, for my ephemera is perfect. It's ready to grab as needed. Everything is close by, so I don't have any trouble sorting through. It's a little bit neater than usual for this video because when I'm in the midst of making, everything's all over the place, and luckily I can shelter in this room and there's no problems with leaving things out. It's not really private, it's open to the rest of the house, but I do there's a little bit of a wall to give me some separation from the rest, and it's a room dedicated to art, so that's the main part. Is one of my water cups, another one, Beauty and the Beast. It was my daughter's sippy cup when she was young. And yeah, little bits and pieces. I try to organize brushes and cups and mugs that I no longer use. Some art on the wall to inspire me, other artists that I adore, and yeah, so surrounding myself with things that are important to me. I love a lot of small vintage collectibles. Clocks are a bit of an obsession. I've slowed down on collecting of those, but it's still nice to hear them ticking nearby. A little case here for my sketching supplies that I take with me when I'm on the go. There's too many of the artists here to mention, but I might mention them below in my post. So these little carts are really handy because I can just put different supplies in on different levels. And my drafting table. It's facing, I have a beautiful view out the window. Right now the view's a little bit obscured by the cornfield, but nonetheless, to get the light in, if I'm able to keep the window open, I can hear the breeze, the birds, the roosters. It's all quite nice. I think this is a testimony to the fact that you don't need to have a lot of space to work. This is grand that I have a whole room, but I think that even if I had a table and a cart with some supplies, I could probably work in that amount of space. Just these were bookshelves before, and I've needed a place to put my old dolls. To some people they're a little creepy, but I really adore them, and some of them are cracky and old, but they have a lot of character. So a few of my older things are in the case there, and we have some books below in the bookshelf. So yeah, this is a really nice space for me to work. It gives me just enough of a separation from the rest of the house, and it's a small house anyway. It's a small log house, so there's not much room, but nonetheless, it's my little place of paradise. So thanks for taking a look, and hope you enjoyed having a peek around my art making space.